Good morning, Miva. Well, here we are on a Monday morning, new week. Getting close to the end of this month, though. Halloween's coming right around the corner. Just thought we'd start with a quote of the day. A person with too much ambition cannot sleep in peace. And that's an African proverb. I thought was kind of interesting. So here's our day beginning. Hopefully you've all got up and you're getting the little cobwebs out of your eyes and whatever. And we'll see what today will bring, okay? Let's look at our announcements. Well, Back to the Future Day is today. For those of you that watched Back to the Future, October 21, 2015 is where they went back to, where they started from actually, and where they went back to was in history. So, as the good doctor said, Marty, if we go back, we can use all the best memes and take credit for them. Well, so much for that. Back to the Future Day. Let's go back in history, too. History on Saturday, that was a couple of days ago, but I thought it was interesting. 1781, Major General Lord Charles Cornwallis surrenders to George Washington and Count de Rochambeau at Yorktown, Virginia. Cornwallis surrendered 7,157 troops, including sick and wounded, and 840 sailors, along with 244 artillery pieces. Losses in this battle had been light on both sides. The Revolutionary War, though, at that time is effectively ended. All they had to do was a peace treaty after that. Then in that same day, 1917, the first donut is fried by Salvation Army volunteer women for American troops in France during World War I. So yay for donuts. That's what I thought when I read that. Then on Sunday, that was yesterday, October 20th, in 1818, the United States and Britain established the 49th parallel as the boundary between Canada and the United States. And that, of course, covers most of our borders, except when it gets to, about Michigan, the Great Lakes, and then, of course, when it comes up around Maine. All right? So that's kind of an interesting fact for today. And then today, in 1879, after 14 months of testing, Thomas Edison first demonstrates his electric lamp, hoping to one day compete with the gaslight. So he took, I cannot remember how many tries it took him to make that successful, but, trying is what we do, right? It's not just that you know everything, because, you're here in school to learn and to try, and failing during your trying is okay as long as you learn from it, right? All right, let's go to upcoming events. Tomorrow, well, Maine Earth Science Day will be here tomorrow. It is here in Augusta, so hopefully you signed up with Miss Clark. If you want to contact her in case there's some more room, you can do that. But otherwise, we'll be having a regular, normal day of school. For those of you going to that, please enjoy it. Sounds like a fun time. And our field trip series to colleges is happening with the University of Maine, Orono, and that is this Thursday. So hopefully you've let Ms. Hamilton know that, and you'll be ready to go so that you can do the tours and have some lunch and all that. So UMaine is a great school. Hope to see that some of you are going to be at that. Nice college. Okay, also the Telling Room, which is on November 1st. Again, that's coming right up. So make sure that you let Ms. Hamilton know that as well. And she said by October 4th, but I think she's been still promoting it. So, if you want to get in, if there is room, let her know. And you might be able to do that, all right? And then finally, our MIVA Meet and Greet at the Sports Arena in Bangor is coming up next month on the 22nd, and that's 4 to 6 o'clock. Again, you can RSVP to Ms. Lance at mainvirtual.org.
Advising holds you have. See advisor you should.
All right. We're at that point of our morning that you will join your advisory time. And so I hope you have a great time and a great Monday as well. All right. That's it for now. Make it a great day, everyone.